All right, now we're going into marketing.
Marketing.
Now this is again like remember how I mentioned about the funnel. So at the top here we got marketing overview, and then we go into campaigns by group, very similar with the product aspect, and then campaigns, ad, products, product ads, and the keywords like a funnel, right? So again, marketing overview, pretty much a snapshot of what we're going to cover. Just an easy way to see stuff at a glance rather than going deep down into it. And then we'll go into campaigns by group. This is very similar and it works exactly the same way as our sales by product. If you remember earlier in this conversation where we created a group based on lipsticks or cards, same way. So if we will have a number of campaigns around oral care, right? And we want to see how our campaigns of our oral cares are doing, we can jump into here and have the selected campaigns, see that they're enabled, the ad status, the spend, the ACOS, the impressions, how many clicks we're getting, the click-through rate, conversions, orders, when it started, and all the information that you'd really need to be able to see how these adverts are performing.
Mm-hmm. Nice, nice.
We go down, sorry, because I was, yeah, so we've gone into campaigns, which is, again, like what we were just in a minute ago, because I was in
Mm-hmm.
campaigns by, it's taking me
Mm-hmm.
into campaigns. We can go into ad groups as well, where we can see the campaign on yeah, stuff like the grouping that we want to do, right? So we've got scalpel care here. We can see the impressions and clicks. We can also go down into products as well, where we can see the ad spend and how things are doing from an advertising metric per product as well,
Mm-hmm.
right? So we can see which are better performing products, which are less good performing products, right? And then finally, we can go into product ads. Not finally, there's one more after this. When we can see the status of the product ad, the click-through rate, clicks, all this sort of stuff like that. And then going into keywords where we can see, how our keywords are performing. We're paying a lot of money for them, right? We want to know how they're doing.
Mm-hmm.
It's where you can come
Mm-hmm.
and see that.
So the marketing is like basically our PPC kind of or pay-per-click uh kind of report. And again, we're going from bird eye view on generally how our marketing is doing to in even a keyword level, right? So then again, we can just optimize and yeah, and again, if we're managing different brands, we come and see how they're doing with their products, their keywords. And of course, we're trying to optimize for results for them. So again, if some keyword is overspending or we find that or it's very lucrative, then we try to give more budget there or cut the budget or play with the bids, etc. As what the PPC people are doing. And yeah, this just gives us again a bird eye view on each level on product, keyword, and all everything together. And again, by channel and by date. And yeah,